Guys, these are the Toshiba air conditioners. Where's the model right now? Where's the model right now? We need the model. I think there's no model in this thing. Sorry, guys. Oh, there's the model. Okay, here it is. So the air conditioners. We have an air conditioner too today. Rare Panasonic Eolia right now. Right now, guys. Panasonic Eolia. So rare. Right. Like I said, so rare. Okay. This is the Panasonic Eolia. These are the Panasonic Eolia. Okay, it is. Okay, that's the Daikin RC35. Okay, here it is. Here it is, guys. These are the Daikins. Okay, here it is. Those are the Daikins. This. Okay, here it is, guys. Here it is. Sorry. Okay, here it is. These, we have a Daikin air conditioner. See. And a York air conditioner. Oh, wow. Okay, guys, this is getting weird. This should be York, not Panasonic. Hey. Yeah, so weird, but not too weird. Is York working with Panasonic? I'm only asking the true guys, not the fake one. So tell me right now. Is Panasonic working with York? I think. Yeah, there's lots of rare here. Okay, we have lots of rare here. This. We have those. Those all are rare, guys. Ooh, another rare. I think it's a rare. That one is rare. And we have another LG. Oh, I almost followed into that. We have these air conditioners. Okay, this is rare too. Like that one. Okay, I think we have all of these. And these all are rare. Plus we have these two. Okay, sorry for taking it. Oh, that's an LG. I thought that was a Mitsubishi for the. Okay, what is that car doing? Are they parking? Okay. Planning to see. Okay. We have these two. We have these air conditioners. Okay. Oh, whoa, we have those. Right there. Okay, let's go inside here. Okay, I think this is rare too. So cool, guys. We have lots of. Ooh, that's a nation. Oh, so rare. I really like these. These are the rarest one I ever found. With the LG, with what brands right there. Okay. Didn't realize that these are Eolias. And with rare here, with old Mitsubishi here. Okay. With until those right there. Okay. With this two national air conditioner. Okay, of course we have lots here. Yeah. Okay, what is this sharp? I think these kind of old. Yeah. Oh, there's another Eolia up there. So many Eolias in here. Here it is. Okay, I think these are the air conditioners. conditioners. I think it's only until here, guys. I think I found this more cooler, guys, than the last time. But we must go there too. So, okay. Are the air conditioners? Yep. This. Okay. Here it is. Oh, there's an old Toshiba and what is this? Is it LG or something? Okay. Bro, this is already really cool in here. It's the coolest I found, I think. This Daikin with blue paint, and there's a Sharp with blue paint too. These two. Oh, so this is what I see. Okay. Okay. These are the air conditioners. It's getting hot here. Wonder why it's getting hot. Okay, here it is. We have Sharp. And we have this thing. Okay, I think all of in here is old. We have Eolia here. What is this thing? Okay, here it is. So hot here. It's Panasonic. Okay. What is that Panasonic thingy? Oh, that's the media that I see. Oh, there's an LG there. Right there. Did I already filmed this part before? Oh yeah, I already filmed that part. Okay. Another Eolia. I wonder why there's lots of Eolia here. Lots of Eolia. I think this is gonna be an Eolia tour. Lots of Eolia here. Here it is. Oh, okay, there's lots here. Okay. I think we got a lot in here. Okay, there it is. Okay. Panasonic. We have. What is this? Crystal. What is that? Emotional. What is those? This. Okay, we're back to the same spot that we go there. I think I didn't find the big air conditioner. See this air conditioner. Okay. This is an air conditioner heaven, and this is a tour of air conditioner. So again, we have these air conditioners, the heavy one. And the heavy one. Let's go see what we have again. Okay. Oh, we have these Panasonic air conditioner. Oh, General, so weird. Yo. Okay, let me take a break something, okay? Here it is, here it is, here it is. Oh my god. Everyone's seeing me today. Okay, here it is. We have a tour of air conditioner. But the thing I'm really scared right now, I'm scared right now. The Daikin that I found yesterday, we have these two. Okay, this is the Daikin, and we have a GREE air conditioner here, and we have an old Changhong. Okay, here it is. There's a guy right there. Random guy. Okay. Oh. I think everyone's gonna see me. Why? Because everyone's seeing me. I using a expensive phone. Yeah. Oh, there's a rare Panasonic right there. And what is this brand? Okay. We see this Fuji Air. And Fuji Electric. Oh, there's more in here. What is this?